Alright, this is something I learned off of Google. You change out your cabin filter and you want your car to smell good. What you can do is start up your car, turn on the AC, turn the recirculation off so the air can come out from the outside into the car, like that. And then these are basically the vacuum that sucks in the air from the outside. So what I like to do, I'll grab a can of Lysol, shake it up, and then I'll spray it. Now we're going to go back in the car, and as you can, well, you can't tell in the video, but for me I can. As I'm sitting in the car, I can actually smell the Lysol spray that I just sprayed from under the hood. So what this does is it cleans the vent, it cleans the system from all the dirt and the debris, and your car actually smells more refreshing. So, you know, you could use Febreze, but that's just for, you know, the smell, but I'd rather use Lysol. It actually kills all the germs and the dirt, whatever it can, and it deodorizes the inside of your car. So I'll probably let the car run for like another maybe 2 or 3 minutes so that the Lysol can actually do its work. And then if you want, you can go back out and spray it again. But basically this is something I learned off of Google, and it cleans your system, cleans your cabin filter, and it deodorizes your car. Yeah, we're gonna let it run for a few minutes. Alright, thanks for watching.